Hello children, welcome back, and today in polygons we are going to study how to find the number of diagonals in a polygon. So let us understand what is diagonals first. The line segments joining the non-adjacent vertices are called the diagonals of the polygon. So what is non-adjacent vertices, children? Now suppose if this is a square, right? So, and let us name this as A, B, C, D. So, for A, B and D are adjacent vertices and C is the non-adjacent vertices. So, any line joining from A to C is a diagonal. For B, A and C, the neighbors, you can call them as your neighbors. A and C are their vertices, consecutive vertices, and D is the non-consecutive vertex. So any line joining B and D is called the diagonal. So this is the meaning of line segment joining the non-adjacent vertices. So let us start how to find diagonals in a regular hexagon. So our question is, how many diagonals do each of the following have? First one is regular hexagon. Now we know hexagon is a six-sided figure. So the formula to find number of diagonals is n minus 3 by 2. And what is n? N is here number of sides. So it is very important for us to know the number of sides. Then only we can use this formula to find diagonals. Okay. So regular hexagon, that means it is 6. So the number of diagonals will be, instead of n I will write 6, open bracket, instead of n again I will write 6 minus 3 divided by 2. And whatever is inside the bracket we will solve that first. So 6 minus 3 is 3 divided by 2. And if there is no sign between them, that means it is multiplication. 2 ones are, 2 threes are. So your number of diagonals is equal to 9. Let us find the number of diagonals in a triangle. See children, in a triangle you can see that there can be no diagonals formed, because suppose this is an ABC figure. For A, B and C are consecutive vertices. So there is no non-consecutive vertex. So there can be no diagonal, and you can prove that with this help of this formula. If I put for B, number of sides 3, 3 minus 3 by 2, 3 into 0 is 0, and any number divided by 0 is 0. So you saw children, for diagonals it is none. So how many diagonals do a triangle have? None. So let us go to the next sum. How many diagonals do heptagon have? Now heptagon means it is 7-sided. So I will write here 7. 7 minus 3 divided by 2. 7 into 4 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 twos are, and 14 diagonals. Let us go next. Octagon. Octagon is an 8-sided figure. So n is 8 here. So 8 minus 3 by 2, which is 8 into 5 by 2. 2 ones are, 2 fours are, and 4 fives are is 20 diagonals. And the last is polygon of 12 side. So they have given us that it is a 12-sided figure. So instead of n I will write here 12. N minus 3 is 12 minus 3 divided by 2. So 12 minus 3 is 9 divided by 2. 2 ones are, 2 six are 12. 6 nines are 54 diagonals. And with the help of this formula, we can find number of diagonals for any polygon. So hope you understood children. Let us come with more problems in the next lecture. Bye.